Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 17 of the Math Tips and Tricks series. In today's lesson, we'll discuss how to multiply numbers that are above and below a reference number. So let's get started and try a few problems. Let's say you want to do 95 times 107. Here, both numbers are close to 100, so we'll use 100 as our reference number. To do the multiplication, we write down the numbers being multiplied one below the other. Next, we know that 95 is 5 less than our reference number, so we write down minus 5 next to it. Here the negative sign indicates that our number is less than the reference number. We also know that 107 is 7 more than our reference number, so we write down plus 7 next to it. To calculate the right-hand portion or RHS, we multiply these two numbers. Minus 5 times 7 gives us minus 35. When we multiply numbers that are above and below a reference number, our RHS will always be a negative number. To calculate the LHS, we can do either 95 plus 7 or 107 minus 5. 95 plus 7 gives us 102. The next step is to multiply this number by our reference number. When we do that, we get 10200. The next step is to add our RHS to this number. When we do that, we get 10200 plus minus 35, which becomes a subtraction problem. The subtraction involves a bit of borrowing. Ten minus 5 gives us 5, 9 minus 3 gives us 6, and then we can bring down the 1, 0 and 1. So 10165 is the final solution to our problem. If you like the content, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. You can use the PDF linked in the description below for additional practice. Before we wrap up, let's try one more problem. Let's say you want to do 92 times 125. Here again, both numbers are close to 100, so we'll use 100 as our reference number. To do the multiplication, we write down the numbers being multiplied one below the other. Here 92 is 8 less than our reference number, so we write down minus 8 next to it. 125 is 25 more than our reference number, so we write down plus 25 next to it. To calculate the RHS, we multiply these two numbers. Minus 8 times 25 gives us minus 200. To calculate the left-hand portion or LHS, we can do either 92 plus 25 or 125 minus 8. 125 minus 8 gives us 117. The next step is to multiply this number by our reference number. 117 times 100 gives us 11700. The next step is to add the RHS to this number. When we do 11700 plus minus 200, we get 11700 minus 200. When we do the subtraction, we get 11500, which is the final solution to our problem. I look forward to meeting you in lesson 18. Thanks for watching.